Today we will be talking about how you can realistically make anywhere from $50 to $100 per hour taking surveys for companies and getting that feedback. Let's jump into it. Now, before I get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm not only going to comment back to each and every single one of your comments, but also I want to let you guys know about the exact way that I learned how to make money online, being able to quit my job, my 9-to-5, working from home. Now, all I do is I make money passively while I'm hanging out with my son, and this is all due to affiliate marketing. So if you want to check that out and get my free ebook that you can sign up for, go ahead and click the button down below. So this is a survey platform called UserTesting.com. Okay. Now I want you to understand, companies will literally pay places like UserTesting just to get customer feedback. They want to know the experience when going to their website and when asking them questions. So experience, like it says here, it says experience what your customers are experiencing. Within a few hours, get the human insight you need to deliver exceptional products, services, or brands. So companies like these literally pay user testing to get feedback from people like us who have never seen their website before. So you can ask questions, target anyone, engage and emphasize, discover and analyze, and share your insights. Okay. Now you're probably thinking, well, how do I get paid for this? What do I have to do in order for user testing to pay me? Because that's the biggest thing, right? I want to make money online. I don't want to have to go to my job if I don't want to. I want to earn an extra 10, 20, 30, 40, $100 an hour. Logan, how do I do that? So what you want to do is go to Get Paid to Test. And in this section, you enter your email and you click this right here, and then you will get an email from them. Now, how it works, it's pretty simple. You apply, you browse, you answer screening questions to match with test opportunities. New tests are released all the time. You test, share your perspectives via tests, you match with and help best in-class brands improve the products and services, and then you make money. Now, this is the big part right here. Earn $4 for every 5-minute test, 10 USD for every 20-minute test, and between 30 USD to 120 USD for live interviews. So all the way you can make from $4 every 5 minutes all the way up to $120 for a live interview. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Again, this is kind of what it will look like. They will give you tests, and then you will be able to answer those as well. So you might be thinking, Logan, what do I need to get started? So you need a computer or mobile device that meets our requirements. You need a reliable internet connection, a microphone, and you must be at least 18 years old. Okay, so if you're 17, I'm sorry, but this is for someone who's 18 because you need to be able to speak English. The application process is simple. You enter your email address at the top of this page, you do a complete practice test, and then they will approve you, and then you can start taking real tests and earn real money. So in order to get paid, you need to have a PayPal account and live in a country that can receive PayPal. Okay, so if you don't have either of those, then you're out of luck as well. And it says you will receive your payment via PayPal 7 days after completing your website or app test. Okay, and again, this is the most important question that we want answered. How much money can I make? And again, it's $4 for every 5-minute test, $10 for every 20-minute test, and between $30 to $120 for any kind of live interview. So here is just kind of what you can expect. When you go ahead and put your email in, you will get an email saying this: thank you for your interest, complete your application. When you click on that, it'll take you to a 1 minute and 30-second video showing you just an example of a test. Then it will give you what you need to really do, though, and you guys need to listen to me carefully, is as you're going through these tests, you need to be explaining and vocally saying everything that's on your mind, because that's what they want you to know. So if you're going to the home page, you just have to say, hey, I'm going to the home page. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for that. You need to speak out loud. That's what they're really wanting you to do. So make sure that you do that in your tests, and then you can finish that. Okay. At this point, you'll need to enable permissions. You need to set permissions so that people can hear you on your microphone. Obviously, they want to hear your voice. Okay. And then they want to hear you say, I'm ready to think out loud. And that's what they want you to say. And then you get started. and then they will do a microphone check. You will go through and do the instructions that they ask you to do. For me, it took about 5 minutes. And then once you get the setup done, you can do that test right here. And then once you have that all done, it'll say, congratulations, you've been accepted as a test participant. And then you can start creating your account. It can take up to 1 to 3 days to get accepted. So just keep that in mind as well. So all in all, what you need to understand is this. Will you get completely rich from this? No. Will you be able to retire off of this? No. But this is a way that you can start making money online, particularly if you wanted to just get some extra money on the side. Let's say you're working at McDonald's making $10 an hour. You wanted to make an extra $10 or $20 another hour when you're at home. Or if you just don't want to work at McDonald's or Walmart or wherever, and you can just do this for, a little while every day. So it's your choice, but this is a good way for you to make money online, especially as a beginner, especially if you're just wanting a few extra dollars each week. Okay. So hopefully this helped you guys out. It's usertesting.com. You can get paid just to give your feedback, just to do instructions, just to talk out loud. So as long as you have those requirements, you can get started. So in the comments, I really want to hear your feedback. Have you guys used user testing before? Have you made any money online before? Where are you guys tuning in from? Because I'm making these videos ultimately for you. I want to help you make money online. And again, as I said in the beginning, if you want to know exactly how I got started making money online, I've made over $40,000 in the last year. I've been able to quit my job and stay home with my family. Go ahead and click the first link down below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon, because I want to make sure that you get all the different ways to make money online. And I'm excited to help you on your journey. We'll see you in the next one.